fire rose up high, burnt the skin, the bone, the life. Ashes fell, but I still stood in the blackened heart of the woods. A hammer strikes steel in the night, each blow a prayer, each spark a fight. No gold in these veins, just dirt, but faith ain't afraid of hurt. Through the heat, the flames, the pain, I found a name. Forged in faith through the coals and rain, shaped by trials, made by the flame. In the wilderness, God carved my name.